I found the old typewriter at a dusty estate sale, its keys worn and yellowed, with a faint, unsettling hum as I touched it. At first, I typed simple words, but the machine seemed to have a mind of its own, finishing sentences I never intended to write. Each page revealed deeper horrors, stories of people lost, their terrors and screams captured in chilling detail I never imagined. I tried to stop, but the typewriter clacked on by itself, its carriage moving with eerie precision, as if possessed by another force. Last night, I found a new sheet. It described this very moment, my own fear, and how the story might never end. Now, I wonder, am I writing this, or is the typewriter writing me? Sometimes, I hear whispers through the clacking keys beyond reason.